Smoked his ass.
The chaos here happened just before noon on Thursday. The LAPD responded to calls from the Burlington in North Hollywood. Officers say when they arrived, they went into the store, saw a man assaulting a woman with some kind of metal object that they've described similar to a chain bike lock. At some point soon after finding the suspect, you heard one officer there fire 3 shots towards him. One of those shots hit and killed that man, who we now know is 24-year-old Daniel Elena Lopez. Another one of those shots went through the drywall past Lopez and hit 14-year-old Valentina Oriana Peralta. She was in the fitting room trying on quinceañera dresses with her mom. Her mother was next to her when she died. Officers have not yet shared who the original victim was, the woman who was being assaulted, but we're told that she went to the hospital with injuries to her head, face, and hands. Now, hours after all of this happened Thursday night, I spoke one-on-one with LAPD Chief Michael Moore, who called this tragic and devastating for everyone involved. He was profoundly sorry for the young girl's life. I asked him about the weapon, specifically whether it fits protocol to shoot, considering the LAPD hasn't recovered a gun.
Way too soon. I'm not going to speculate or make any type of judgment as to the officers' actions. I know that I do believe the officers were responding to a radio call of an assault with deadly weapon, of shots being fired. The description is one of serious nature, one in which people's lives could be at stake, and officers were responding to stop that threat and to protect people.
That goes into a really important part of this investigation, and as it now goes beyond the LAPD and into the Inspector General and the Attorney General's hands. We have heard, based on those 35 minutes of video that was just released, some 911 calls regarding a possible active shooter. So that's something that we're, of course, going to keep updating throughout the evening tonight. We understand, though, that officer who fired those shots is on paid administrative leave, which is standard. There's a GoFundMe page and a petition for Valentina.
What are y'all? It's my little channel.
ABC 7
Check it out.
Yes. Hello, I'm Mark Brown.
Rest in peace to that young lady that lost her life trying on her Sweet 15 dress. You know, in America, we had a Sweet 16. In the Latino community, the females, when they turn 15, that's when they celebrate their Sweet 16, but they're becoming a woman. Shout out to the Latino community, man. You got to do some positive, good things. You know what I'm saying? Black folk, good, decent black folk, let y'all know that. Even though we have differences, but this is very sad, very tragic that this happened. Rest in peace to you, to that girl, man, straight up. You know, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Did anyone go through any madness during the holiday seasons, you know what I'm saying? Was there any domestic violence calls? You put your baby daddy out, you quit your baby mama, you put the kids out, your kids made you mad, you had a fight with the baby daddy, the baby mama, what's going on in y'all world, man? Let me know. Hey, check it out. Y'all support me on these public watch hours. Watch all my videos. I don't even care about, I love my subscribers, but a subscriber can unsubscribe at any time. But the public watch hours are for sure. I need the public watch hours, y'all, so I can show y'all Quincy on Sloss and y'all. All right, we out. Like, comment, subscribe. The Money Low channel, we out.